Hello everyone, welcome to Leggear's YouTube channel, and today I'm going to unbox a package that I bought from Lazada. So here it is. I bought this last August 1st, 2022, and I received it just today, August 8th, 2022. And it's a tablet case for Amazon Kindle Fire HD 10 2021, stand magnetic, auto sleep, auto wake, flip, smart cover for Fire HD 10 and Fire HD 10 Plus 2021. So it only costs, I think, less than 700 pesos from the Lazada app. So I'm going to open it now. Okay. Here it is. There's a bubble wrap, so I'm going to remove it. And it says here from the sticker, Fire HD 10 2021 dark green color. So this is the dark green color. I'm going to remove the plastic. From the store on Lazada app, there are 6 colors: dark gray, dark blue, pink, dark green, black, and another one. I think it's wine red. Yeah. Okay. So here it is. I bought dark green tablet cover for my Amazon Fire HD 10 2021. So here's what it looks like. Alright. So those are the buttons for the power and then the volume. Okay. These are the holes for the speakers. Okay. And then this is the front cover. And it's magnetic. This is the inside. This one. It's rubberized. I can feel it. Right, and this is the back side. Okay. So I'm going to put now my Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. It's also green, olive green. Okay. Right. Okay, so let me try the auto wake. Let's see if it's going to wake. Alright, it worked. Okay, how about the auto sleep? So it should be sleeping. Okay, so it's sleeping. There's no light. Oh, good. Okay, so it's nice. And another test is if it's going to stand horizontally and vertically. Good, now it can stand up horizontally. It can stand up by itself horizontally. This is the side view. Okay. Next, side view. Okay, using only the cover, so it can stand up alone. That's good. And how about vertically? Nice, so this is the view. And And another feature is you can use this, and then on this side you can put this on the fridge or any metal object, and then it is magnetic, so it will not fall off from the refrigerator if you put it there. Okay, but I don't have any fridge here. I'll just show you, or maybe I'm going to include a picture in this video. Alright, so that's it. Fire HD10 2021 and Fire HD10 Plus 2021 tablet case cover that I bought from Lazada. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or suggestions, don't forget to write it down in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't clicked the like or subscribe button, please do it now. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. This is it. Alright, goodbye.